Okay, right here I've got 4 sets in here, and every day so far I made at least 1 catch. And the farmer had a dead cow that he drug into the ravine here, and so that's my main attraction. I usually don't like to set very close to dead critters like this, but the farmer wanted me to get these fellas out of here. And there he is. He looks like a pretty good coyote up on the ridge there.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, he's sunning himself right there. Got 2 front feet in the trap. This set here was an RJ set. That's a Richard Johnson set. That's who I am. This set was here 4 days, and this is the 4th coyote caught in this trap in 4 days. So the ground is really churned up good around here, and the RJ set is just a step down dirt hole. Kind of the Charlie Robbins step down dirt hole, but I do a couple other things to it. I make it big. Ron Leggett has a real good fox set, and he brings the dirt around the edges and the sides and the back, and I thought, why not expand that and make that set a little bigger for coyotes. And O'Gorman had what he called the big hole set.
Wicked sharp every time you pick it up, and every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your replacement blades today with a $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.
So I took those 3 aspects or ideas and kind of made into a set that I thought was pretty dependable. And my friend Ed Snyder from Kansas Trapline Products, who traps with me, he started calling it the RJ set because he thought it was a little bit better than the dirt hole he was using. So he started using it and calling it that. But I just get this trap down in there good and solid. I bring the dirt up around the edges. I've been using wax paper for pan covers out here because the ground is just so dry and powdery. I believe it would go right through a steel screen cover. I use a number 3 trap. It gives you a good kill area between your jaws. And on a step down, you don't have to fuss a whole lot packing dirt like you would on a flat set. Because when he steps down, basically he's just got one spot to step down. And then I bring a little of the loose dirt up out of the hole, and I put a little ridge right on the front lever. because I don't want him to stand on the front lever. That's kind of a, says that's a stop for him right there. I put a little more dirt on the dead side of the trap, which is where the dog connects to the jaw. But when we're all done here, he comes around here, and there's basically just one place for him to put his paw when he wants to go check this out. And we'll put a stick up here on the front top side, keep him honest, you know. But that's how the RJ set looks after 4 catches and 4 nights. So now I'll just bait it up. And I like a bait that we can smear in the sidewall a little bit so a rodent won't take it out of there. I just smear it down in there. And then the other thing I like to do, just for a teaser, let's say the coyote isn't real hungry, his belly's full, but just for a teaser and how they're mischievous, I'll put a little wool way down in there. It can't be visible from the top, from air for birds to see, but that's about it. That coyote will probably want to take that little bit of wool or check it out, and we'll probably have a number 5 here tomorrow.